the Oral-B Cross-Action Electric Toothbrush Replacement Brush. Heads offer an effective solution for maintaining optimal oral health through efficient plaque removal and gentle yet thorough cleaning. With package dimensions of 9.09 into 2.64 into 1.85 inches and weighing only 2.4 ounces, these replacement brush heads are designed for convenience and ease of use. The item model number EB50BK5 ensures compatibility with a range of Oral-B electric toothbrush models, providing users with versatility and peace of mind. Manufactured by Procter & Gamble in the USA, these brush heads meet high-quality standards and are designed to deliver a superior brushing experience. Since its first availability on February 15, 2022, the Oral-B Cross-Action Replacement Brush Heads have garnered positive feedback from consumers reflected in the impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars rating based on 13,679 customer reviews. This product's ranking as #405 in health and household and #2 in electric toothbrush.
I recently had the opportunity to try out the Philips Sonicare Genuine W Diamond Clean Replacement Toothbrush Heads, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed. As someone who values both oral hygiene and product quality, I can confidently say that these replacement heads deliver on both fronts. First and foremost, the brand reputation of Philips Sonicare speaks volumes. Known for their innovative dental care products, Philips Sonicare has once again showcased their expertise with these replacement toothbrush heads. The attention to detail and quality craftsmanship are evident from the moment you unbox the product. The sleek white color of the toothbrush heads adds a touch of elegance to your dental routine. It's a small detail, but it makes a difference, especially for those who appreciate aesthetics in their everyday items. In terms of size, the 3-file Oz pack of 1 is convenient and ensures that you have an ample supply of replacement heads without needing to worry about running.
This Spin Brush Arm and Hammer Pro plus Deep Clean refills. Battery-powered toothbrush has proven to be a reliable addition to oral care routines. With dimensions measuring 0.89 into 2.13 into 8.86 inches and a weight of 0.63 ounces, this toothbrush boasts portability without compromising performance. The item model number 107668780000920 indicates the meticulous attention to detail in its design. First available on April 9, 2014, by the manufacturer Church & Dwight. Personal care. This product has since gained popularity, evident by its bestsellers rank of #8, 690 in health and household, and #69 in electric toothbrush replacement brush heads. Notable features include its ability to remove 100% more plaque compared to traditional toothbrushes. This efficiency, coupled with its battery-powered mechanism, ensures a thorough cleaning experience. The product has garnered an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 4,947 ratings, highlighting its effectiveness and customer satisfaction.
The Arm & Hammer Pro plus Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush for adults is a reliable oral care product that provides thorough cleaning performance. With its convenient design and features, this toothbrush stands out in the market. Manufactured by Church & Dwight. Personal care. This toothbrush is not discontinued, demonstrating its ongoing popularity. The product dimensions of 7.1 into 1.8 into 9.9 inches make it a compact and practical choice for everyday use. It weighs 10.86 ounces, ensuring a lightweight feel during brushing sessions. The item model number is 7668780022156, and it requires 2 AA batteries included for operation. The battery-powered operation offers convenience and portability, making it ideal for travel or daily use. This toothbrush was first available on August 8, 2016, showcasing its established presence in the market. Its ASIN is B01K0X5ZY2, with the country of origin being the USA. The Arm & Hammer Pro plus Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush for adults has garnered positive feedback.
The Philips Sonicare for kids. 7+ genuine replacement toothbrush heads are designed to ensure optimal oral hygiene for children aged 7 and above. With product dimensions of 0.8 into 0.6 into 3.5 inches and a weight of 0.8 ounces, These toothbrush heads are lightweight and easy to use. The item model number is HX6042, specifically made for kids' dental care needs. Manufactured by Philips Sonicare, a reputable brand known for quality oral care products, these replacement toothbrush heads are exceptionally reliable. The product originates from China and has garnered positive feedback from consumers highlighting its effectiveness. The ASIN is B00G5L85S2. One of the key features of the Philips Sonicare for Kids 7 Plus genuine replacement toothbrush heads is their compatibility with a wide range of electric toothbrush models. This adaptability ensures convenience for users and allows for a seamless transition when replacing old brush heads. In terms of customer satisfaction, these replacement heads.
The Philips Sonicare Genuine Sensitive Replacement Toothbrush. Heads for sensitive teeth are a top choice for maintaining optimal oral hygiene. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, based on 4,967 ratings, these replacement brush heads have garnered praise for their quality and effectiveness. Designed specifically for individuals with sensitive teeth, these brush heads offer gentle yet thorough cleaning, ensuring a comfortable brushing experience. The soft bristles are gentle on sensitive gums, while effectively removing plaque and improving overall gum health. Measuring 0.6 into 0.25 into 2.8 inches and weighing only 1.45 ounces, these replacement toothbrush heads are lightweight and easy to use. The compatibility with various Philips Sonicare models makes them versatile and suitable for a wide range of users. Philips, a trusted manufacturer known for its commitment to quality and innovation, produces these replacement heads in China. The product's best sellers rank of #3, 685.
The Spin Brush Pro Clean Replacement. Heads with soft bristles by Spin Brush are a reliable choice for maintaining optimal dental hygiene. Designed to fit seamlessly onto your existing Spin Brush electric toothbrush handle, these replacement heads ensure a thorough and gentle cleaning experience. The blue and white color scheme of these replacement heads adds a touch of freshness to your oral care routine. Made of durable plastic, they are designed to withstand regular use without compromising on performance or hygiene. The soft bristles are gentle on the gums yet effective in removing plaque and debris, making them suitable for adults of all ages. With a pack containing 2 replacement heads, you can easily switch them out at the recommended intervals to ensure a consistently effective clean. Overall, the Spin Brush Pro Clean replacement heads with soft bristles offer a convenient and high-quality solution for maintaining your dental health.
The Waterpik Triple Sonic Toothbrush. Heads replacement in a pack of 3 is a reliable choice for maintaining optimal oral hygiene. Designed by Waterpik, a trusted brand in dental care products, these replacement brush heads come in a classic white color. Each pack includes 3 high-quality brush heads made of durable nylon, ensuring effective cleaning and longevity. These replacement brush heads are specifically designed for adults catering to a wide age range. The 3-count pack offers convenience and versatility, allowing users to replace their toothbrush heads promptly to maintain hygiene standards recommended by dental professionals. The size and design of these brush heads ensure compatibility with Waterpik Triple Sonic electric toothbrush models, making them a seamless fit for your oral care routine. Overall, the Waterpik Triple Sonic toothbrush heads replacement is a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy and clean smile. With its quality construction,
The Oral-B Floss Action electric toothbrush replacement brush heads refills are a top-quality product designed to enhance your daily oral care routine. With product dimensions of 10.91 into 0.59 into 9.17 inches and a weight of only 1.28 ounces, these brush heads provide a perfect fit for your Oral-B electric toothbrush. The item model number EB255 ensures compatibility and easy identification. Additionally, the UPC codes 069055126523 and 069055128121 guarantee authenticity and quality assurance. Manufactured by Amazonus/PRFZ7, known for their commitment to excellence, these replacement brush heads meet high industry standards. Ranked at #3, 143 in health and household, and #22 in electric toothbrush replacement brush heads,
It's evident that customers value the performance of these brush heads. With an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 18,367 ratings, consumers have consistently praised the product for its durability, effectiveness, and value for money.